Joining me now is Laura Powell. She's a veteran of California state politics. She started the nonpartisan group Californians for Good Governance. Laura, thanks for being with us on our special coverage. I was reading on social media some of your posts last night and into the day. How big of a problem is this in your home state?
Well, it looks like it's going to be a major crisis and it's going to affect everyone. I mean, obviously, the people who lost their homes, a lot of them lost their insurance last year. It was reported State Farm, the biggest insurer in the state, dropped 1,600 people just in Pacific Palisades because they did not feel they could cover the risk. Now that was about 70% of their customers in Pacific Palisades.
So what happens here?
They seem to know that this was, something that might happen and that they couldn't increase rates enough to cover their risk.
Yeah, so what happens here? Because you've got insurers, private companies, basically saying California won't allow us to bump up the rates to what we need to be to protect ourselves for the awful like this, but then that puts it all in the state's lap, and now they've got exposure to this, and that eventually will end up trickling down to current homeowners.
Exactly. The backup plan is the FAIR plan, and that plan does not have enough money to cover all these losses. So what ends up happening is that it's not actually state funded, but the insurance companies then are going to pass along the costs to the other insured homeowners. So everybody across the state is going to end up having to pay for this in increased premiums. The cost of living in California is already so high, and how this is going to affect people, and we have to see how these numbers shake out. But the FAIR plan said the most recent number I saw was $300 million approximately they had in reserve, and this is going to be billions of dollars that the rest of us are going to have to pay. And this has been known that this is a problem. It was reported all last year, and very little's been done. There were a few press releases from the insurance commissioner with some plan, but nobody's really tackled the bigger problem.
Laura Powell, I got to leave it there as we're... Thank you for watching, and make sure you go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.